Today I'm going to show you how to clean your chicken. We're going to be doing chicken legs and chicken thighs. First, you'll need a bowl of water, some fresh lemons. I use 2 for this video. I like to do mine in a bowl so it won't splash all over my sink. Here you see me squeezing in the lemon, well, a half a lemon into the bowl of water. Just squeezing in my lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. Dropping them in. And then I like to use 2 to 3 tablespoons of the distilled white vinegar. This is a little acid to help clean the bacteria from your chicken. Alright, and I'm going to start off here with the chicken thigh. I like to put it in the water, squeeze the juice on there, rub it around. You know, just breaks up the bacteria, get it nice and clean, ready to eat. Yeah, rub it all over underneath the bottom. Just get it all nice and clean. Here I am adding in a few of the leg pieces of the chicken. You're just gonna rub all the little slimy parts off of it to get it clean, just like we did the thighs. The thighs have like clumps of fat on the chicken that you definitely want to get off. You don't want to digest this part of the chicken. So here I am plucking the fatty parts off in this video. Getting it all off. Most of the thighs have this thick layer of fat, so when I finish getting all the fatty stuff off the parts of the chicken, I usually let it just sit there just for a few seconds. Then I bring the bowl of chicken over to the sink and do just a few passes of water, rinsing the chicken off with fresh, cold water. You just want to make sure you get each piece of chicken rinsed off really good. And here we are, fresh, clean chicken, ready to cook. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. We will be having videos of our favorite recipes to come. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.